Naloxone trainer is a little device that a layperson or a healthcare provider or a veteran could use this device to train themselves on how to use naloxone. Naloxone is a medication that can reverse opioids or narcotics. I would tell veterans about this trainer that they can use it at their own pace. They can practice with it as much as they want. I had the role of an opioid safety person in my previous role, and myself and the pain pharmacist were trying to get naloxone out to veterans. And when International Overdose Awareness Day came about, I decided that we wanted to get more patients to be able to see this device. So I developed this little wooden trainer in my basement and put that in the lobbies in the hospital. I connected with the Office of Advanced Manufacturing. They thought that it was awesome that you could just have this little device.
The collaboration with SimLearn has been powerful in the sense that we can get this new innovation out there to the community within the VA system so that we can work as a team to make this a product within the VA system to get the education needed to the veterans and family members and staff.
My dream for this trainer would be to get it to anybody that wants it and just get it out there, get the word out so everybody that needs it has it and isn't afraid to use it.